Mind. What is mind? I was thinking about this. Suddenly, this thought came that is there something like mind? We all talk day in and day out about mind, and a lot of people are, talking about meditation so that they can have peace of mind or can have a calm mind, and they think mind is something which is always present. And so, so does anyone know what is mind? Has anyone seen the mind? Can mind be seen? Is it a physical thing? If it is not physical, then what is it? How do you describe mind if it is not physical? Whatever we talk about about a human being, we talk in terms of physical form. And if mind is formless, then how do you quantify it, basically? And does it exist somewhere in the body? So who came up with this word mind? I really wonder who coined this word and why somebody coined this word mind. So I'll be very happy if somebody can explain me what is mind. We have been using this word infinitely and everywhere, but somehow I think I never realized that what exactly is the meaning of mind and why are we talking about controlling the mind. So if you don't even know what is mind, then how can you control the mind? In my understanding, it is the brain, actually. The output of brain, which are thoughts. So it's the brain which is processing all the inputs from the sensory organs and from the memory in the body, stored emotions, the stored thoughts, which get stored because of we are attached to those thoughts, and we are constantly thinking about the same thing again and again due to many reasons. It can be due to greed, it can be due to expectation. The same thing is coming to our mind again and again. It's because of the brain is processing, and it's because of how we have conditioned. Like if I'm greedy, I'll keep thinking about same thing again and again. So I don't have control over my sensory organs, another way of saying. So brain has connection with the sensory organs, and through the sensory organs we are connected to the external world, and that's how we see the external world, or feel the external world, or hear the external world, or even so due to different sensory organs we have a different kind of input which goes to the brain and it produces a thought. So when brain is producing thoughts due to certain reason from the inputs to the sensory organs, due to the conditioning of our qualities, thoughts are produced. So it is a sum total of thoughts which are constantly present in the output of the brain, which can result in action, physical action, or it may not result in a physical action, or it will definitely have a impact on the body, on some of the organs. If there is a worry, if there is a negative thought, it is going to act on the body, and due to some actions or even the vibes, we also impact others who come in contact with us, and because those actions or words are directed towards them, so thought gets converted into word or a speech or an action, physical action. So it is just the brain which is finally enacting everything, or basically the output of the brain, which is in form of thoughts and words and speech and action. So forget the speech and action now. Only limit yourself to thoughts, because after the thoughts only speech and action happen. So whatever is the output of the brain, which is a sum total of many thoughts, this is something which we call mind. So we just call it mind, but there's nothing like mind. There's no physical entity or something tangible which is mind. It's a very notional kind of a thing which we have defined. Otherwise, I feel this word shouldn't have existed. We should have actually used brain only. So we don't focus on the brain and it's how it works and how the thoughts are created, but we talk about mind which doesn't even exist. So if I say, why do we say I want peace of mind? I should just say I want peace. When there's nothing called mind, then why do we say peace of mind? So we should say I want peace. I want happiness. I don't want any thoughts, negative thoughts. I don't want worries. I don't want bad thoughts. I don't want to be emotional. I want to be detached. So this is something different. But if I say I want a calm mind, in fact, I was also using the word, but suddenly this stuck me, this brainwave that what the hell is mind? So maybe I may be wrong. So if you think you have any idea, if you can define mind, it's been used in Hindi. We call it man. So it is used. Mind is used in every philosophical or any kind of book related to meditation or mindfulness. Even we say mindfulness, when there is nothing mind, then why do you say mindfulness? So there are so many books, scriptures, they all talk about mind. Man and mind. In Hindi it's man. Like I feel like doing it. And what is mind? I will define mind is equal to I, which is equal to ego. I say it's my mind. I feel like doing it. So it's saying mind means I, an ego. And so there's ego is also notional, I is also notional, and mind is also notional. So all three are together one and the same thing, but they are all notional. So mind is used to define you actually. You are defined by the mind, a word called mind. But that's just sum total of all the processing which is happening in the brain. So we've used that word mind to define something which is not tangible also. But if you go scientifically, you can remove the word mind and understand how how you are functioning. So I hope I made it clear. Thanks.